Welcome to Glow Baby TV. Glow Baby TV.
So much to do today.
Mama is in the kitchen. She has a lot of work, but she always does it with love.
Mama busy?
Sami has a big idea. With Bunny's encouragement, he decides to be Mama's little helper.
Bunny says, "Help, Mama." Mama, Sami help.
Sami announces his plan. He wants to learn how to help. This is the first step to kindness. Mama is so happy. She sees Sami's kind heart. Now, how will she teach him?
You want to help me, my love? Yes, help cook.
Sami is so eager. He wants to cook. But first, we must learn kitchen safety. First, we wash hands. Clean hands are important. Mama teaches the first rule. Always have clean hands.
Wash hands.
Sami repeats the new words. He is ready to learn. Let's follow him to the sink. Up we go. Let's make bubbles.
Bubbles. Soap.
Sami loves the soap bubbles. He is learning about cleanliness and having fun.
Now we dry. Good job, Sami.
Next step, drying. Mama praises Sami for doing a good job.
Clean. Now cook.
Sami is ready for the next step. He is so excited to start cooking with Mama. First, we wash the vegetables. See? Carrots and peas. Mama shows Sami the vegetables. Orange carrot.
Green peas.
Sami knows his colors. Orange carrot, green peas. What a smart helper. Can you wash this carrot? Rub it gently. Mama gives Sami a safe task. He will wash the carrot.
Wash, carrot clean.
Look at Sami concentrate. He is working so hard to make the carrot clean.
Mama. Look. Clean. Wonderful. You are such a good helper.
Mama's praise makes Sami's heart glow. Positive words make us want to help more.
Sami is strong.
Even Bunny is cheering for Sami. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now, we cut the cucumber. Mama will hold, you push. A new task. Cutting, but safely.
Push. Cut.
Sami helps Mama cut. They are working together. This is called cooperation.
We did it! A slice.
Now for the fun part.
Mixing. We make dough.
Time to mix. This might get messy, but that's part of the fun in learning.
Stir it round and round, Sami.
Sami gets his own spoon. Stirring is a perfect job for little hands.
Round and round.
Look at him go. Round and round. He is mixing the ingredients together.
Achoo!
Oh dear. A little flour sneeze. Whoops. That's okay. We can clean it. There. All clean. You are a flowery little chef. The mixture is turning into dough. It feels sticky and fun. A new texture to explore.
Sticky. Dough. Now we knead. Push and fold, like this.
Time to knead. Mama shows the motion.
Squishy. Push.
Sami tries kneading. It's hard work, but he doesn't give up. Persistence is key.
Hey, a dough hat.
Oh no, a dough accident. But look, Bunny has a new hat. We can laugh about it.
Bunny funny.
Sami finds it funny. It's important to laugh when little mistakes happen.
No problem. We just put it back. All part of cooking.
Mama shows there's no need to worry. We just fix it and keep going. Resilience.
Now we roll it flat for our parathas.
Mama uses a rolling pin. They are making parathas, a yummy flatbread. Your turn.
Roll your little paratha.
Sami gets his own dough ball. He can make a baby paratha. How exciting!
Rolling. Look, shape.
Sami's paratha is a unique shape. That's okay. It will taste just as delicious.
Bye paratha. For Bunny?
Sami is so proud. He even thinks of sharing with Bunny. What a generous heart.
Now, the hot pan. Only Mama touches this. We watch safely. Important safety lesson. The stove.
Hear that sizzle? That means it's cooking.
Listen to the sizzle. That's the sound of food cooking. Sami learns through his senses.
Cook. Smell good.
The kitchen fills with a delicious smell. Sami's nose knows good food is coming.
Flip. Now the other side gets golden.
Wow, Mama is a pro. Flipping requires skill. Sami watches and learns.
The first one is ready. Hot, hot.
The first paratha is done. It looks and smells amazing.
Now, your special paratha goes in.
It's Sami's turn. His special creation will be cooked too. How exciting! There it goes. Sami's paratha is cooking. He is part of the process from start to finish.
My turn. Sizzle. It's getting yummy.
Even Bunny is commenting. The paratha is changing color as it cooks. Perfect. Golden brown, just like yours. Perfect flip. Sami's paratha looks delicious. His help made this possible.
There. A plate full of love and help.
Look at that plate. It's full of food made with teamwork and love.
We cook. Yay!
Sami celebrates. The joy of accomplishment is the best feeling.
Cooking is done. Now we set the table.
The cooking part is over. Next step, setting the table. More helping to do. Can you carry this plate to the table? Gently.
A new important job, carrying a plate. Sami must be careful and gentle.
Walking slow. Sami takes it slow. He is concentrating on not dropping it. Good focus.
Success. The plate is on the table. Sami accomplished his mission.
There. Plate.
Now, the spoon and fork, one on each side. Sami learns how to set utensils. This helps with learning left and right.
Spoon here. Fork here.
He does it perfectly. He is following instructions so well.
Time to eat. You helped make this meal.
The best part is here. Eating the food you helped make tastes extra special.
Our food. Yummy.
Sami feels a deep sense of pride. He contributed. That builds confidence.
Here, try your special paratha. Blow, blow, not hot.
Mama makes sure the food is safe to eat. Good. Sami helped cook.
The moment of truth. It tastes amazing. Helping makes everything better. This is the most delicious paratha. Mama agrees. Food made with love and help is
Yum. Thanks, Chef Sami.
Sami shares with his friend Bunny. Kindness includes sharing our joys.
We cook together. Now we clean together.
The job isn't quite finished. Good helpers also help clean up. Teamwork.
You can wipe your part of the table.
Like this. Wipe, wipe.
Sami gets a cleaning task. Wiping the table is fun and makes it shiny.
Clean. Shiny.
Sami sees the results of his work. A clean table is satisfying.
I wash, you rinse. Hold the sprayer.
Sami gets to help rinse. He must be careful with the water.
Rinse. Bubbles go away. The bubbles disappear under the water. Sami is learning about cleaning. Teamwork makes cleanup fast.
High five! Cleaning up is faster and more fun when we work together.
Everything is clean and happy.
Look at the kitchen now. It's clean and peaceful. A job well done.
I am so proud of you. You helped from start to finish.
Sami helper. Sami is tired but fulfilled. He knows he is a helper. That identity is powerful.
Let's rest now. You earned it, my little helper.
Time to rest after a big day of helping. Helping others is rewarding work.
Love you, Mama. I love you too.
Sami expresses his love. Helping strengthens the bonds of love in a family.
I love you more, my kind boy.
Mama's love is endless. She is raising a kind and helpful child.
Help cook.
Sami drifts off to sleep, dreaming of his kitchen adventure. Sweet dreams, helper.
My heart is so full.
Mama's heart is full of joy. Teaching kindness is a parent's greatest gift.
What a great day to be a helper.
Even Bunny agrees. Every day is a great day to be a helper. Sami dreams about his day. First, he learned to wash vegetables.
Remember washing the carrot?
Then he worked so hard stirring the dough. Mixing is fun. Stir, stir. Good job setting the table.
He also learned to set the table. That's a very important helper job. You've just watched Kindness and Care, Episode 2. The Little Kitchen Helper.
Wash hands first. What was our first lesson? Always wash your hands before helping.
Lesson 2. Wash fruits and vegetables to make them clean and healthy.
Stir together.
Lesson 3. Stirring is a perfect job for little helpers. Mix it up. Lesson 4. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your help is what matters most. Very important rule. The stove is hot. Helpers watch from a safe distance.
Spoon here.
Lesson 5. Setting the table is a big kid job that helps the whole family. Lesson 6. Good helpers clean up too. It makes everything shiny and new.
Wipe clean.
And the best reward? A big hug and a thank you. Love is the best prize. Let's sing a song about being a helper. Clap your hands and follow along. First you wash your hands so clean, so clean. Then you stir the bowl, a helping dream. Set the table nice, spoon and fork just right. Then you get a hug that feels so bright. Yeah! So be a helper, yeah, be a helper too. We can all help in what we...
Your turn.
Be a helper.
Now it's your turn. Can you be a helper at home today? What will you do?
Thank you for watching with Glow Baby TV. We make learning kind and fun.
Did you miss Sami's first adventure with the lost puppy? Watch it here. Sami is sleeping now, dreaming of his next adventure. Where will he help next time? In our next episode, Sami finds a sad plant in the garden. How can he help it? Remember, your help, no matter how small, makes a big difference. Always be kind. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a Kindness and Care adventure. Bye-bye. Thank you for helping. Bye-bye, friends. Keep helping, keep learning, and keep being kind. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Share it with a friend who loves to help. A special thank you to all our little viewers and their grown-up helpers. Until next time, keep your hearts helpful and your hands ready for kindness. Good night, helpers. Dream of all the good you can do. See you soon.